You waste papers.
I don't waste. I'm practicing.
Why don't you take a big page? What happened? Am I not allowed to tell you anything?
Come on, I also know how to give comments for improvement.
Well, I would love to receive a review.
Maybe add some orange here.
Orange?
Yes. It's too sweet. Orange will neutralize the sweetness.
I'll try.
Stop rummaging through the trash and taking out things I throw away.
But it has potential. You just draw very small. Like bird poop. Draw big and see where you went wrong.
Are you crazy? I meant a small spot. For equilibrium. What is? Is it a fire?
Fire, maybe spring flowers. I have not decided yet.